How to find Exchange server version. Different methods. Let's try the first method using the Exchange Management Shell. Go to the Start search box and type Exchange Management Shell. Right-click and select Run as Administrator to open it. Once the shell is open, type the following command. Get Exchange server, format table name, edition, admin display version. You'll also find this command in the description. Press Enter. And there you have it, your Exchange server version will be displayed. Now, let's try second method using the Exchange Admin Center. Open your browser and go to https://localhost/ecp. Once the Exchange Admin Center page opens, enter your domain name or username in the respective field. Below that, type in your password. After entering the credentials, click on Sign In. Inside the Exchange Admin Center, go to the left panel and select the Servers tab from the list. Now that the Servers tab has opened on the right, let's look inside the Servers tab. Here, you'll clearly see your Exchange server version along with some additional details. Let's try third method, this time using Windows Explorer. First, open Windows Explorer. At the top address bar, paste this path. C Program Files, Microsoft Exchange Server. You can also find this path in the description. Now press Enter. Inside, you'll see some version folders. Open the folder. Then go into the bin directory. Here, look for the file named exsetup.x. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Details tab. There, under the product version and product name fields, you'll find your Exchange server version. Let's try fourth method, this time using the Registry Editor. In the Windows search bar, type Registry Editor and open it. In the left panel, expand the following path. hkey_local_machine, then Software. Then Microsoft. Then Exchange Server. Then your version. Example version 15. Then Setup. Once you select Setup, look at the right section of the window. Here, you'll find the version entries, which display your Exchange server version. And that's it. That's how you can find Exchange server version by these methods.